Let's get real for a moment. Ever wondered why some men dive into intimacy with enthusiasm while others hesitate? What's going on in a man's mind during those vulnerable moments? It's not just about sex. It's about who we are as men and how we connect with our partners. Pleasure in giving. True confidence comes from the joy of giving, not just receiving. Some men find strength in focusing on their partner's happiness, creating a masterpiece of intimacy. The real reward lies in her smile, her trust, and the connection you share. Stoicism teaches us that mastering desire means giving freely, shifting the focus from validation to genuine connection. Emotional bond. Emotional intimacy is about vulnerability and truly seeing your partner. It's terrifying yet essential. Letting go of ego and embracing each other fosters real trust. True intimacy isn't about perfection. It's about being seen and allowing your partner to be seen too. Curiosity and connection. Intimacy is an art, driven by curiosity about your partner's desires. Approach it like a scientist. Observe, adjust, and learn. This dance of vulnerability and strength transforms the experience into something beautiful. Forget perfection, be present and genuine. Breaking taboos. Oral sex can be daunting due to societal stigma, but real intimacy embraces all aspects of your partner. Rejecting these taboos not only liberates you, but also shows her she is fully accepted. Communication is key. Honest communication about needs and desires is crucial. Explore together, and intimacy becomes a journey rather than a checklist. When you give your full attention and prioritize her happiness, you build a connection based on trust and care. Vulnerability as strength. Being vulnerable is a sign of true strength. Letting down your defenses and focusing on her desires is where real control lies. This shift in mindset is a quiet revolution against societal norms, overcoming fear of judgment. Many men fear judgment, worrying about performance and comparison. But women value honesty over perfection. When you stop trying to prove yourself and start being present, trust flourishes. Quiet confidence. The most confident men are often the quiet ones. They create a sense of security and closeness through their presence. Embrace uncertainty and be ready to learn and grow together. Final thoughts. Real relationships are built on small, consistent acts of care, curiosity. Be the man who values connection over ego and chooses love over fear. True intimacy comes from the courage to be real and embrace both yourself and your partner fully. If you're ready to deepen your relationships and personal growth, subscribe, share your thoughts, and let's redefine what it means to truly care for those we love. Real strength is about showing up and loving boldly. Let's break the cycle and celebrate authentic connection.